Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and welcome back to the intro for TinkerHUNT 9. Friends, once again, this is an amazing scavenger hunt where you get to click on the link, open a shared project, and you'll be able to explore it trying to find these 5 characters. There is a rocket, a jack-o'-lantern, Blanky, the celebrating kid, and the unicorn dude. Now friends, I've made these smaller and I've hidden them all throughout this project. You can click on any item and hit F to fit view. It lets you zoom in. You can then right click with your mouse and drag, or you can use the view cube to move around. You can just keep clicking on pieces as you search all throughout the village of Tinkerville as you're trying to find all the pieces. If you want to back out, you can hit home. There are other cool ways to search, like doing Control H, which is hide. This lets you get a better look. You'll notice though I have still added a ton of parts, so this is more and more difficult each week. Friends, after you hide all these, you can bring them back by using the unhide button as you search and try and find these 5 awesome creations. Now friends, I've just made this design public, so I'm going to delete all these real quick. So this is what it's going to look like when you're going to open it. There will be notes. I have hidden the notes. These are instructions if you want to read through them one at a time, but they are telling you the same things that I'm telling you now. Friends, there are a ton of ways for you to find this. The first one I'm going to show you is just to hit gallery, and if you switch to latest, you will see TinkerHUNT shows up. They will be here every Sunday. Another way is to search. You can type TinkerHUNT, and when you hit search, you'll have to switch to latest to get the newest ones, but this is where you can find all of the TinkerHUNTs that I have created. Another fun thing, friends, is you can remix these and you can share them back with me and have me try and solve your TinkerHUNTs. As a matter of fact, friends, later today there will be a designer showcase where one of my students shared a scavenger hunt for me. Another one to find these is to find my YouTube page, and under the HLModTech Fun, I have got a playlist with all of the TinkerHUNTs. Whenever you launch one of these, in the description of the video, you will find a project link, and you can click on that and open it immediately. Don't forget, your job is to solve the puzzle and get a shout out the next week. A third, and perhaps some of my favorite ways, is to visit HLModTech.com. I have got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad with lots of awesome projects, and if you scroll down just a little bit, we explain what a TinkerHUNT is, and then these are the links to all the projects. Friends, I do also want to remind you that in the properties of the project, you can find the link to my website with the messaging tool. You can also find the actual video that you need to put your replies under, or friends, you can also reach out with an answer on Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail. I am HLModTech on all 3 of those. You can also reach out on Twitter. I am HLTinkerCad. Friends, as promised, a shout out for last week's correct solutions. I did receive it by email, and it was Jayor Tadicha. Joe, congratulations on your correct solution, and thanks so much for your participation. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a solution, add it down below. Maybe even hit that share button so we have more people participating. Of course, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.